Hi,
How are you?
hi. I'm good. What about you?
I'm also
You
fine.
are you are looking very pretty.
Thank you. You too.
I don't think so. Yeah, I'm looking pretty. Yeah.
You don't think so? Why?
I am tired after doing like lots of work of household. How can I look so pretty?
No, no, but you are looking. It doesn't seem on your face that you are tired.
Okay.
Mhm. Yeah. Okay. So I think I was little bit confused with the link. There are so many links. I joined on another link. Then I saw your
Okay.
message. Oh, here is the link. Actually, I become so much of confusion happens. So many links are there. Anyways, saw that you have started a YouTube channel. Maybe like I saw
Yeah,
you
today.
comment under
Yeah.
Arundhati.
Yeah. Today. Yeah. I
Mm-hmm.
started today. And you also started a YouTube channel?
Mm-hmm. I started the YouTube channel. I sent you also. I think.
Yeah, yeah. You are doing
Mhm.
good job. You are making good videos. Yeah.
Mhm. So, what do you think? What type of videos you would be posting in future?
Like related to conversation video, yeah. Right now.
Conversation.
The
Mm-hmm.
conversational video, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
After
That's.
that, I will think, yeah. Because I could not get time after like
Mm.
whole day work, work, work. Whenever I want to get that time, I have to make schedule according to that, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, people nowadays are posting conversation videos, and people are mostly interested in watching conversation videos only.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it will be helpful for me because in future, like inviting people for talking, so that will be good for me. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah. It's very much helpful. Yeah, okay. So today's topic is all about gender discrimination. You want to talk with about the topic or normal conversation?
Can you explain me about this? Like, what is this? Yeah, I go through this. Like, so it is equality like between male, female, and like, yeah, it's like a religion. Can you tell me?
Sure.
Explain me. Yeah.
Gender discrimination means differentiating between genders. Okay, भेदभाव करना लड़का लड़की differentiating between male and female. Okay, so there
Yes.
are so nowadays it's a male dominated society. Not nowadays actually, it's like since a very
Yeah.
long time male dominated society. Women are not getting the right to education, right to anything. But nowadays women are educating themselves. So there are this discrimination has happened like between transgenders are not getting opportunity to study, and also male are only ruling our country, you can say like that. So it's about it only.
Okay. Like,
Mm.
but nowadays, like people thinking get changed nowadays. Like people get happy when we get baby girl. I'm thinking so like that. Don't you think so? Like you are also like two sisters, and your
Mm.
father and mother pamper you people. And but in some areas, yeah,
Mm.
it happens ki like they don't like girls,
Mm.
baby. They like male. Yeah,
Yeah, it's all about
like
mentality.
in
I don't
Rajasthan,
think.
yeah,
Yeah, I don't think
mentality
it's
it depends.
about
Yeah.
place. Yeah. Mm.
Yeah.
What you were
But in
saying?
some, like in Rajasthan, like
Mm.
yeah, I've seen many movies. They don't like girls baby. They always like male. But in future, if there is no female, so how would be like future like getting like if you and there is only male, yeah, that will be
Yeah,
not good for the like society. Yeah, and yeah, girls should be educated because they are the backbone of the society. Ladies mostly like they convey the society like in a otherwise only male can't do anything without female
yeah.
according to my opinion. Yeah, and yeah, transgenders don't have any rights like it, and don't people don't see in a good manner. Transgenders, yeah, they always like yeah, part of our society. But nowadays, people getting changes in their mentality, and they are
Yes.
accepting these kind of things also. Like yeah, and according to you,
People are
like
progressing.
transgenders, yeah, according to you,
According to me about
for
transgender. Yeah,
Yeah.
actually, about me, if I talk about, then I think that all are humans. Like, you should not be treating them something like an alien. You should also consider that person also a person. That person also has a heart. They also feel bad. They also feel
Yeah.
sad. Or they're human, but because of some kind of hormone, some kind of thing, they are different. Actually, they are not different. Actually, we don't see them often, like in schools and colleges. Okay, we see only boys and girls.
Girls.
If
Yeah.
it was like that transgender also there, then it was very much common. Then we wouldn't have like thought like that, oh, he's different. If the students were also transgender, then it would have been very much normal. Actually, I think so.
And I think it fitted our mind previously. Like if like before that, our ancestors don't make this like these are different. So we don't behave like that. Okay, these are different. Yeah. So that is why it is like put in our mind ki these are people are different and people see in a different kind of a way. Otherwise, there is not. They are same like us. Yeah.
Mhm. Actually, we are the one who is not giving them the opportunity to study. That's the reason they also want to feed themselves, right? Like after their birth, their parents only throw them. So where they would go? So they start doing bargaining. Sorry, bargaining. Sorry, begging. Sorry, they start doing.
Begging, yeah,
Yeah,
begging.
begging. I said bargaining. They start.
They do this like, yeah, society, what will society say? Your kid is like that. That is why, like, hiding that kid and don't showing in front of society. They don't like to show their baby. They have a transgender baby. Yeah, because yeah, our ancestor feed it in our mind ki that is different kind of a people and they are not allowed in our society as a being human being. Yeah, they have rights. They are same. Yeah, maybe that is why.
In local trends, we see, and we just some people are like they're calling them by in a very different manner, like different kind of chakka, like hijra, this kind of things. I don't know why. I don't understand why you should call that person like that. Treat very normally, and many people are like getting afraid whenever a transgender comes. Okay, so they're
Yeah,
like
yeah.
they're hiding themselves as if they would eat eat that person.
And when they come at home, like when baby give like on the birth of baby, and that time their blessing is very important. Yeah, that time people invited them. Yeah, come to home, gave blessing. Yeah. So people are treated like in a different way. Sometimes you are getting blessings from them, and sometimes you are looking at like they are aliens. Yeah, that is the different. Yeah, you are doing not doing good with them. Yeah.
It's all about mentality. I don't think that it's about place. Even cities also, like I am from Kolkata, so people mostly 70% people are like this, that they have very like narrow mentality. Okay, like they are like looking at like that. Whenever I travel, okay, by train, I see some people are laughing whenever a transgender is coming. They are like getting excited as if some fun gonna happen. So they're
Yeah.
like that. So I feel like why to be excited also, why to be like discriminating also, be normal as if a normal person is coming, right?
But yeah, yeah, you can say it's within our mind na ki these people are different. Like that is why people treat it like that. Otherwise, they are normal people like us. Yeah. Otherwise, yeah,
Yeah, yeah. And people mostly thinks that if they say any kind of bad things, then it would
yeah.
happen definitely in
It will curse
futures.
you. It will curse you. Yeah, you can say
Yeah.
like yeah, like
So you
we
should not be quarreling with that person. If they give you a blessing also, then it gonna happen. This kind of belief people have. Even my mother
yeah.
also have.
I am saying like yeah, it happens because previously our ancestor feeding in our mind ki yeah, if we, they bless some things we believe which given by our ancestors. So we
Mhm.
can't deny that thing, and we all always blindly follow that things.
Actually, I have never faced. I don't understand the thing whether it's true or not. When we give some money to the transgender, they give a blessing like be good, be successful in life. I don't know whether it happens truly or not. But people are like very much okay,
believe,
okay,
yeah.
I'm very much thankful. Why to be so much thankful? They don't have any kind of they're not gods actually, they are humans. So why to be excited also? Why to feel that they have some kind of power? They're normal. I feel so.
Yeah, you are
Mm.
right. They
I
are the
tell my
same.
mother always, they have like a fight happened. Okay, so when transgender came, okay, at our like when we were traveling, so Ma gave some money. Okay, my mother gave some money. So I am okay. So she said that don't ignore like that. Don't be. I said that I didn't ignore. I'm normal. That I'm not looking. Also, I'm not ignoring. Also, I was doing something on my phone. So I was continuing that thing. So my mom said that don't say that their blessings are very good. It's gonna happen. Take his blessing. Take his blessing. Like I'm like OMG. Why? Normal. It's very normal.
Yeah,
Hmm. And what do you think about it? Like girls are not getting, like are girls getting the 100% rights now in 21st century? What do you think about it?
I think nowadays people are changing their mentality, and girls are like behaving like people will become lenient about girls. But yeah, when they go for a job, that time they like girls has to face so many problems. Yeah, because
Mm-hmm.
it's a male dominating area. Like yeah, that time you can say they
Mm-hmm.
don't have same rights. Yeah, you can say like that. Yeah.
And also,
People treat it like, yeah, like a beautiful thing. They treat it like a yeah. Like
yeah,
sometimes
ठीक
people
खुली
think yeah,
तिजोरी
you are
की
work,
तरह होती है.
you are
This
for
kind of
home.
things.
Yeah,
Yeah, this kind of sayings are there. Like लड़की खुली तिजोरी की तरह है, ज़्यादा घूमना नहीं
yeah,
चाहिए. I don't
yeah, yeah,
understand.
yeah. Or
Yeah,
that
and
like then
mm,
we when they grown up, then yeah, marry him, yeah, marry her. Yeah, people start to say yeah, send them to their house. Yeah,
mm,
don't be late. Yes, people start to say to their parents.
mm, get marry early,
Yeah,
marry early. Otherwise, your age is like ending. This kind of things.
yeah, yeah.
Mm. And I've seen this kind of thing like when a girl is cooking, okay, like it's a duty to cook as if, and when a boy is cooking, it's like a brilliant like
Yeah,
talent.
my kids also use like I have two sons, na, both saying like this is not our job. No making food and serving food. This is your job. And I say why it's my job? It's also your job. Yeah. I always feel like I don't have a girl. Yeah, she always with me. She helped me. She always. My kid is near my. Yeah, he's teasing me.
Yeah, yeah, boys things like washing clothes and like this kind of household activities. If they do, then they are husband material, and if
Yeah.
a girl do, then it is like a duty.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Mm-hmm.
both of girl and boy both knows how to do all the household works because in future, yeah, you don't know you are going up somewhere else, so you need to know how to cook food, how to wash clothes. Yeah,
Mm. Yeah, yeah, it's needed to be
and
independent actually. Hmm.
you are not right.
Hmm. You wanted to say something?
You are not visible.
I'm not visible.
No.
Wait a minute. Then. Now,
Mm, now
now,
it's
okay.
okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. So you were about to say something. You said, then you didn't say. You want to say something?
Yeah, I'm saying like yeah, boys don't like to do like these kind of works. They always say these are the girls of work of girls, not us. Like
Mm-hmm.
they always want to roaming in outside, always want to watch TV, always busy in their mobiles. Don't ready to help me. Yeah, this kind of. So I miss like yeah, I should have a girl. Yeah, it will always with me. Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
I like
Yeah, I just think sometimes like why this kind of thing happened, from where it started. Like girls should be like dominated and males should be dominating the, from where it started. I actually want to know. Even I searched on Google, but it didn't come.
Maybe it's like earlier days. Otherwise, like in our Vedo Puran, that time people treated like our goddess, like ladies, like Devi Ma. We worship,
Hmm.
and yeah, that time all treated same. But nowadays it happen, yeah.
Hmm. They started believing that which is going like circle, like in a chain, and people like, oh, my mother said this. They don't have that
Yeah,
idea also like why. They
yeah.
don't have that question why. Q. They just like he or she
They
saying so. I
following,
also.
yeah, blindly, yeah. They following blindly the same thing, yeah. Like
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Alright. It's a very serious kind of topic. We became very much
yeah,
serious.
and it is very difficult. Yeah, it is also very difficult topic. Yeah, it is
Hmm.
very, yeah. I'm not, but I think, yeah, it's okay. We should try to talk on that. Yeah,
Hmm. Yeah. So have you gone through the vocabulary section of
I've
the PDF?
seen, but yeah, I've seen, but you can, yeah.
Okay, let me explain. First one is okay, racism. Are you looking into it?
Okay. Yeah, I've seen, but randomly, like, yeah.
Hmm.
So
Okay,
racism,
racism.
yeah. When
Racism
you
means hmm,
differentiate between caste, two
yeah,
caste, yeah, like
caste, color, anything.
okay, okay,
Like discriminating, like that person is black, I am white, like
yeah.
this kind of thing. Then you can say that person is a racist.
And it happens in like you can say in different countries also, like not in India, in many countries. These are blacks, these are white, yeah,
Africans and all.
and yeah,
Yes,
people,
yes.
yeah,
Hmm.
and in sometimes Indians also face this kind of things in different countries. You are
Hmm.
Indians and you are
Hmm.
black, yeah, these kind of things. Face,
Then you can say those people are racist.
yeah, racist, yeah.
Hmm. Then number two is disability. Disability means a person who is abnormal, you can say, physical or mental unfitness. Okay.
Okay,
Then number three, prejudice. Okay.
prejudice.
Prejudice mean a superstitious belief. Like for example, this women
Okay.
are not like allowed to have rights. So it's kind of a chain, a belief. Then you can say
And a
prejudice.
black cat when cut your like way, black cat. It is also superstitious.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
when
black
someone
cat
sneeze,
passes.
when you
Yeah.
are going out, someone sneeze. Yeah, it's also like people stop to. Yeah, I will go after 2 minutes, after 3 minutes. Yeah, so
Yeah,
there are
so
people believe so
superstition.
many things. Yeah, like this.
Yes. Yeah. Then number four is homophobia. Homo means gay and phobia means fear. Fear of gay. Okay. Like
Okay.
when a gay is passing that you have no, I don't want to talk, then that person is homophobic.
And people start to like a weird look. They gave weird look to this kind of person, like
Hmm.
starting like looking gay, like yeah, like
Yes.
yeah, giving these kind of expressions. Yeah,
They're looking to a bad way, like OMG,
yeah,
some kind of alien as if.
yeah,
Then there is caste. Caste, I think you know.
yeah, like
Hmm.
yeah,
Hmm. Then
everyone like a caste. Like you
hmm,
are Bhattacharya, I am a Jain. This is known as a caste, na?
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Then distinction. Distinction means to differentiate.
Okay.
Then the last one is nepotism.
Okay, nepotism is like yeah. Nowadays I've heard very much yeah nepotism
Yeah, it's a
in
very hot
Bollywood,
topic.
In Bollywood, yeah, Bollywood.
Yeah, yeah.
Like yeah, it is going in nepotism. Yeah, when Sushant Singh got died, that time nepotism word very much highlighted that time. Yeah,
Mhm. Like getting
people are
any
doing
position,
nepotism.
yeah, getting
Yeah,
any position without doing any hard work. For example, your father is an actor, okay, without doing any audition, you became an actor. Like for example, Ananya Pandey, Alia Bhatt.
yeah,
So these are the words you go through it, and yeah, there's a paragraph which is read before session. Can you read it for me?
yeah. But
Yeah. So coming to your feedback, I want to say that I didn't find any mistake in you while you were speaking, but sometimes you have problem like while speaking, you use some Hindi words like to, like that
Yeah.
kind of things. Like
Yes.
unconsciously you do. So those kind of things you can replace by using so.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Otherwise you are speaking good and keep it up. Okay. All right.
Okay.
So good night.
Okay.
Take
Good
care.
night. Bye.
Bye.